Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today, on this auspicious event of Independence Day, I would like to talk about my nation, India. As we know, Bharat is located in the south of Asia continent, bounded by Indian Ocean in south, Arabian Sea on the west, Bay of Bengal on the east, and countries like China, Nepal, and Bhutan in the north. Indian history commences with the rise of Indus Valley civilization and then followed by invasion of foreign rulers like Mughals. India as we know today is the rendered part of British colonial reign. India is a federal government structure accompanied by judiciary, executive and legislature. There are more than 140 airports in which 24 are international, more than 7,000 railway stations and a total length of approx a lakh kilometers. There are prestigious central and private universities in India, including 23 IITs and 20 IIMs, and a numerous amount of health organizations including AIIMS and PMCH. India has a population of about 138 crores and an area of 3 million square kilometers. With a literacy rate of 77.7% and a GDP of rank 5 in the world, Indian economy depends on agriculture, industry and services. Major industries include iron and steel, textile, jute, cement and information technologies. Cities of great industrial importance are Surat, Ahmedabad, Aligarh, Bengaluru, Jamshedpur and several more. India inhabits a number of religions in itself like Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Jainism and Buddhism. So there is a lot of cultural diversity and festivals in India. India is also a country of geographical diversity. It has a tropical climate with a mixture of wet and dry tropical weathers, deserts and mountains. Kanchenjunga is the highest peak of the India with an altitude of 8,586 meters. There are 8 major river systems in India with more than 400 rivers, majorly including Ganga, Godavari, Brahmaputra and Narmada. Places of attraction include one of the 7 wonders Taj Mahal, and then Qutub Minar, Ajanta and Ellora caves, Gateway of India, Sanchi Stupa, Jaisalmer forts, Jallianwala Bagh Memorial, the Indian Museum in central Kolkata, and many more. Some famous personalities are Rabindranath Tagore, P.T. Usha, Captain Vikram Batra, Khudiram Bose, B.R. Ambedkar, Baba Amte, Sundarlal Bahuguna, Kalpana Chawla, and A.P.J. Abdul Kalam, and even many more. India stands second in population and 7th in the territory in the world. India has 4th largest standing army, 7th most powerful navy and 3rd most advanced air force. India stands 13th in the world in terms of nuclear capacity. The Indian Space Research Organization stands at the 5th place in the world with successful missions like Mars Orbital Mission and Mangalyaan Mission. India's largest peninsula region give it a strategic importance to stay connected with the rest of the world and increase trade capacity. The burning issues in India are population, illiteracy, and unemployment. The government is working to cope up with the need. At last, I would like to say I'm a proud Indian. सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा. Thank you. जय हिंद.